Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was a civil engineer working in the pond of Uttarakhand. He was assigned the task of constructing a dam on a river and was given time to submit a report. He went to the location, did the initial data collection and made a model. When the model was put into the report, he found there were a few mistakes. He immediately called his subordinates and told them to make the necessary changes. Later the report was submitted and got approved by the government for construction. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was working as a consultant with a stock dealing company. He was always busy at his work talking to investors and advising them. Once there was a customer who wanted to invest a huge amount of money on a particular stock, but knowing the risk involved, Ram counseled them to invest the money in different schemes rather than just one. This proved to be a better investment and the customer was happy with the timely advice. Ram felt satisfied with his work. Qualities demonstrated: social concern, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined, helping others.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.